breaking update and an inside scoop on what transpired earlier today in the cabinet. And this is what the Prime Minister essentially has said. The Prime Minister believes that this is not just a political step, but this is a step to make our democracy stronger. And he's essentially asserted that this is a pro-people move that will be able to also not just expedite and better governance, but also save crores and crores of money. We also have our colleague Pragya, who's joining us live. She has more details of what happened. You know, Pragya, this has been, an idea very close to the Prime Minister for a long, long time. For him to say that this is not a political move, this is about the democracy to make this stronger, clearly tells you how invested he personally is, Pragya, in this very idea.
Deepthi, this idea came in as soon as Prime Minister Narendra Modi became Prime Minister in 2014. It is then that he said that we need to have simultaneous polls. Obviously, he had read the previous reports of parliamentary committees and recommendations by legal luminaries. But what he told in cabinet today to his colleagues is spread awareness about these recommendations. You need to step up and you need to tell people and you need to start discussion. This is also what Ashwini Vaishnav today said, that we will be starting discussion around this particular One Nation, One Election. We will be gathering, in fact, the suggestions and feedback from the people, and if need be, we will work upon that so that there will be no altercation between people, and people should realize that these are the steps taken in benefit of these people. Because when Model Code of Conduct kicks in, Prime Minister also told the colleagues that there are many projects related to health, related to infrastructure that gets hampered. Not just that, law and order situation in states are also take a back seat when there are elections in these states, because all the security arrangements had to be done, the strong rooms had to be managed, there needs to be a manning of those strong rooms as well when election takes place. So all of that was mentioned by Prime Minister to his colleagues in the cabinet today, and say that and he told them that you need to go in, you need to spread awareness, you need to tell the positives, and it is in the benefit of the people. We are doing it for the benefit of the people, and there's no political motive at all. There could be people who will start this misinformation campaign, but we need to counter that by spreading awareness about these recommendations and about the step that the government is very serious to take.
All right, Pragya, these are important details. Thank you so much for getting us that inside scoop. And